Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X20, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that you will need, which is this SIM eject tool, and they usually are located in a box that the phone came in. And if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip, something like this one. Well, this one was a paper clip at one point. So to get started, let's push out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. You'll see that it kind of came out a bit. So from there, just take the entire tray out, and you have space to put 2 different SIM cards and an SD card. So once you put them in, make sure that they're laying flush in there, as you can see. And while holding them securely, you want to slide it back into the device, like so. And then there's a pin for the SIM card, so let me just put it in. And you can see that there's the SD card as well. So both SIM and SD card are working, and that is how you insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.